was 27, but you get one free. Not bad.
Not done. Pretty high. About 15 feet. Bright green.
It's heavy.
Red.
Run back.
Red afterburn. Yay! They all come in under 2 minutes. Hasta la vista, baby. Is that Mad Hatter? That might be a Donnelly Silver.
Oh, that's a dead one.
Professor Flame.
There's more than one.
That was a dud, huh?
Yeah, I think that was a dud.
Yeah.
Wait, wait. There it is. Wait for it. Wait.
One more. More.
It's going around all the sides.
Yeah. That's a round one. Red and green. Oh, that's nice. Adelie.
Wait for it.
Team might be low.
Think so? Some of the small ones are just absolutely horrendous.
Yeah.
Right.
Around the side, huh? Whoa!
Definitely a dud.
Wow.
Oh, it's still going. This is like what, 3 minutes already?
This is the best one, yeah.
Oh, yeah. How long is it so far?
Save that premiere one for last one.
Yeah, Moonlight.
Moonlight.
Oh, it's still going. Oh, my God. That's not bad for those times.
That's pretty good.
Another one.
Buy one, get one free, I think.
Professor Flame. Grand finale. Iron Master. Little guy. Oh. Is that 10 feet? That was about a 30-foot diameter. Dragon Slayer. Woo! About a 20-foot shot. 20-foot tall shot.
It sounds like the mind player from Stranger Things. Hey, there's not gonna be this. Forget about it.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, it goes pretty high.
A 20-foot shot.
Oh yeah, it's the highest.
15-foot shot. Majestic Lightning. More!
No. Next to the grand finale. This is a great one. Yeah.
Oh my God!
They're going. That's a good one.
Look at all the bugs.
Bugs or bees?
They're just beetles.
Oh wow.
Moondance Premiere. So bright.
Good one.